Presentation can be very important, which is why we have the mass print option available to compile all of your forms into a single PDF document. Once you have all of the desired forms entered and updated, you return to the Accord Forms listing and click Mass Print, which will alert you that you are entering mass print mode. Mark the forms you wish to be included in the package by checking the boxes next to the forms. When finished, click Print/Email and you will have a blank screen with your output options. Now is the time to add the electronic signature, which will automatically fill into all signature fields throughout the forms. Click Print Preview to review the PDF file, then download a copy to the desktop by clicking the Download button if you wish to send it from your local file system. If you prefer to send it directly from Agency2Go, click the Email button and fill in the desired information on the email form. To end mass print mode, click Back to Client.